with all complex systems, development and progress starts with initial conditions. The level of safety in an infant system basically determines the capacity of their biological systems to hold sensory stimulation of intense events before a threshold is reached, at which time we automatically shift into fight, flight, or freeze. The higher the capacity developed, the more resilience there is in the person's biology. This means even if we're triggered into freeze, we can come out of it when the immediate danger passes, shake it off, and move on with life. It also minimizes the times that our system is triggered into the survival mode on a false alarm. What's crucial to know is that safety for us humans is based on the connection sensed by the biological part of our being, the 80% unseen, and not a lack of threat. This capacity is set and starts in childhood, but can continue to grow and develop as long as we're alive. This is demonstrated in the story Hugh Scanlon lived coming back from war, but was also shown in my experience working with many different people from 36 years as a trauma therapist. The theories and techniques used were often helpful, but the deeper healing seemed to happen because of the connections that were formed.
On patrol in country, all war's pretty much the same. 5 soldiers walking single file, the name of the game. You were leading from the front, the soldiers 12 o'clock. Hal and Ranso right and left, 9 and 3 their spot. Covering their backsides, I was bringing up the rear. Watching from the 6 o'clock, pushing through the fear. Then the world exploded, we were fighting door to door. A firefight, a sniper shot, and 5 became just 4. Oh, I got your 6 when you're trying to cope. I got your 6 when you're losing your hope. I got your 6 when you're starting to fall. I got your 6, you just need to call, and I'll be knocking on your door. You thought you dodged the bullet when you left the war behind, but demons hidden deep within were not to be denied. Driving home, a massive wreck, bodies on the ground, sent you spinning back to the battle smoke and sound. From there it all unraveled, your life fell apart. Your mind was in a fog and darkness filled your heart. You thought your dreams were left behind like shadows on the wall, floating in between the worlds, but then you made the call. Oh, I got your 6 when you're trying to cope. I got your 6 when you're losing your hope. I got your 6 when you're starting to fall. I got your 6, you just need to call, and I'll be knocking on your door. The battle's just beginning when the bullets cease to fly. Isolation kills, in connection we can thrive. Soldiers can receive the call or make that special plea. Just someone showing up sets the tortured spirit free. what about the firefighter, nurse, or homeless teen? Survivor of abuse or addict lost in drugs' dark dream? Each person needs a person to answer when they call. Are you the friend or stranger who knocks and says, oh, I got your six when you're trying to cope? I got your six when you're losing your hope. I got your six when you're starting to fall. I got your six, you just need to call, and I'll be knocking on your door.